Oats in the morning, warm and sweet, a breakfast treat that can't be beat. With golden flakes and soft embrace, you fill the bowl and light the place. Picture this. 30,000 years ago, our ancestors stumbling upon wild oats and grinding them into a hearty porridge. Little did they know, they had just discovered a superfood that would stand the test of time. While you might think of them as a staple food in modern-day kitchens, they were first grown by ancient civilizations in Europe. The earliest evidence of oats being used as food comes from around 1000 BC in ancient Greece and Rome, where they were primarily seen as fodder for animals, particularly horses. Oh, how wrong they were. It wasn't until the crop reached the cool, wet climate of Britain that it truly flourished. In fact, the Romans were known to be pretty picky about their grains. They favored wheat and barley. But oats, with their hardy nature and ability to thrive in poor soil, were often relegated to the farm animals. It wasn't until much later that oats began to be recognized as a versatile and nutritious food for humans. By the Middle Ages, oats had gained popularity in Northern Europe. In colder climates like Scotland and Ireland, oats were the perfect crop because they could grow in harsh conditions where other grains struggled. Oats became a key part of the diet, often prepared as porridge, just like the oatmeal we enjoy today. From ancient fields, you've come to stay, a humble grain, in every way. In porridge bowls or cookies baked, your gentle goodness can't be faked. The oat revolution. By the 1500s, oats had become a staple across England, Ireland, Scotland, and Wales. But it wasn't until the late 1800s that Americans finally caught on to the oat craze. North America, where they were embraced as a hearty, nutrient-packed food for settlers. And so, oats began their rise as the beloved superfood we know today. But did you know that oats are not just a delicious breakfast food? They're packed with health benefits that can do wonders for your body. First off, oats are a whole grain, which means they contain all parts of the grain, the bran, germ, and endosperm. This makes them a rich source of dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Full of fiber, full of cheer, you keep us full and crystal clear. For heart and gut, you're always kind, a better friend we cannot find. Nutritional powerhouse. Oats are packed with an impressive array of nutrients. Beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that's a true champion for heart health. Protein, more than most grains, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Antioxidants, including unique compounds called avenanthramides. Vitamins and minerals, from manganese to phosphorus, oats have it all. Oats health benefits galore. Heart health. Oats are heart-friendly, literally. The beta-glucan in oats helps lower bad cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol particles and helping to remove them from the body. This can lead to a significant reduction in the risk of heart disease. In fact, the FDA even approved the health claim that oats can help reduce the risk of heart disease when consumed regularly. Blood sugar control. If you're looking for a food that keeps you full and steady throughout the day, oats are your best friend. The soluble fiber in oats slows down the absorption of sugar, helping to keep your blood sugar levels stable. This makes oats an excellent choice for people with diabetes or anyone wanting to avoid those dreaded blood sugar spikes and crashes. Digestive health. We all know that fiber is essential for a healthy gut. Oats are packed with soluble and insoluble fiber, both of which promote digestive health by supporting regular bowel movements. The beta-glucan in oats also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut, which helps maintain a healthy microbiome. Weight management. Oats are naturally low in calories but high in fiber, which makes them a great choice if you're trying to manage your weight. The fiber helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing those pesky snack cravings. And because oats are a whole food, they provide steady, sustained energy, unlike refined grains that can leave you feeling hungry again soon after eating. From farm to table today, oats come in various forms. Oat groats, the least processed option, steel-cut oats. For those who love texture-rolled oats. The classic choice, quick oats, for busy mornings. Most processed form of oats and least healthy, pre-cooked and rolled very thin for quickest preparation. May contain added sugars and can have artificial flavors. Whether you're enjoying a warm bowl of oatmeal, baking oat cookies, or adding oats to your smoothies, you're tapping into thousands of years of nutritional wisdom. Recipe: healthy dark chocolate and oat candy. This dark chocolate and oat candy are the perfect balance of rich chocolate and wholesome oats, making it a satisfying, healthy treat. With minimal ingredients and a quick preparation, it's a great way to curb your sweet tooth without compromising on nutrition. Ingredients: 1 cup rolled oats, gluten-free if needed, 1/2 cup dark chocolate chips, preferably 80% cocoa or higher for no sugar, 2 tablespoons almond butter, or peanut butter, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, for natural sweetness, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, optional, for a sweet salty flavor, 2 tablespoons chia seeds, optional, for extra fiber and omega-3s, 1/4 cup unsweetened shredded coconut, optional, for added texture. Instructions: prepare the base. In a medium mixing bowl, add the rolled oats, chia seeds, if using, and shredded coconut, if using. Stir to combine the dry ingredients. Melt the chocolate. In a small saucepan or microwave-safe bowl, melt the dark chocolate chips. If using the stovetop, heat on low and stir frequently to avoid burning, or use double bowl water bath heating process. If using the microwave, heat in 30-second intervals, stirring in between, until fully melted. Combine the wet ingredients. In a separate small bowl, mix together the almond butter, honey, or maple syrup, and vanilla extract. Mix it all together. Pour the melted chocolate and almond butter mixture into the bowl with the oats. Stir until everything is well coated and the ingredients are evenly combined. If the mixture is too dry, add a bit more honey or almond butter to help bind it together. Form the candies. Line a baking sheet or plate with parchment paper. Scoop small spoonful of the oat mixture and roll them into bite-sized balls or press them into mini muffin tins to form candy cups. Use your hands to press them together tightly. Chill and set. Place the formed candies in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to set and firm up. The chocolate will harden and the oats will bind together, creating a delicious, chewy candy. Serve and enjoy. Once set, remove the candies from the fridge. Store them in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a week. For added crunch, top with a few chopped nuts like almonds or walnuts. Why it's healthy: oats provide fiber, which helps keep you full and supports digestive health. Dark chocolate, 80% cocoa or higher, is rich in antioxidants and may help improve heart health when eaten in moderation. Almond butter or peanut butter adds healthy fats and protein. Chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. Enjoy this guilt-free, nutrient-packed candy when you need a sweet pick-me-up that won't derail your healthy eating goals. With berries, nuts, or honey drizzle, you make each bite a perfect sizzle. In cookies, bars, or granola stacks, you've got our backs with healthy snacks. Now it is time for a funny dialogue between oats and rice grains. They are arguing about who is a better grain. Oats, puffed up with confidence: okay, let's settle this once and for all. I'm clearly the superior grain. Have you seen how many people talk about me? I'm in every health food magazine, I'm on Instagram, I'm practically trending. Rice, snorts, trending? Please, oats, you're just a trendy little fad. I've been around for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations were building entire empires on me. I'm basically the backbone of the world's cuisine. People don't write songs about you. Oats, mockingly: oh really? Empire of rice. Doesn't sound too catchy to me. People write about me all the time. I'm the superfood. I've got fiber, I've got protein. I'm practically a nutritionist's dream. People love me. Ever seen anyone share a picture of rice with a cute avocado? No, it's always me. Rice, rolling eyes, cute avocado? Peefed. I am the perfect pairing for every dish under the sun. I can be steamed, fried, boiled, baked, you name it. People make sushi out of me, they make paella, fried rice, risotto. You just sit there in a bowl and call it oatmeal like you're some kind of royalty. I am overnight oats, I am granola, I am energy bars, cookies, I am smoothie bowls. I can do it all without ever getting soggy. And let's not even get started on those fancy gluten-free recipes. You, rice, are like the basic white bread of grains, always sticking to the same thing, like a boring dinner date who orders chicken nuggets every time. Rice, defensive, basic? I'm the foundation of comfort food. People love me, I am the comfort food. You ever seen someone cry into a bowl of oatmeal? No. But they cry into a bowl of rice, and it's a spiritual experience. I make every meal better. Want proof? Just look at the world's most famous dishes. Fried rice, paella, sushi. And let's not forget delicious rice pudding. You can't even compete with that level of dessert potential. Oats, raising an eyebrow, rice pudding? Really? Wow, you've got dessert covered. How impressive. I mean, I'm all about breakfast, but don't forget, I can be in milk, cookies, bars, and even chocolate. Can you say the same? You're just a side dish. Rice, grinning, a side dish? Oats, let me remind you, I am the main event at dinner. When people talk about comfort food, it's me they crave after a long day. You're a nice little snack for hippies and yoga classes, but when it's time for real food, it's rice that steals the show. Oats, snapping, I'm a snack for hippies. I'll have you know, I'm the secret ingredient in the healthiest desserts. I don't leave people bloated and sluggish, like someone I know. Rice, laughing, oh, I leave people sluggish? Have you looked at your texture, Oats? You're all fluffy 1 minute and then mushy the next. I'm smooth, I'm firm, I stand my ground. People know what to expect with me. You, though? 1 minute you're all crunchy, and the next, you're basically porridge. Pick a lane, Oats. Oats, sarcastic, smooth? Are you really bragging about being plain? I have texture, I have personality. People add stuff to you, rice. I don't need anyone to make me interesting. I'm a full-on flavor explosion on my own. Cinnamon? Yes. Fruit? Sure. Almond milk? You betcha. Rice, smiling smugly, ah yes, the flavor explosion. You'll never see me trying to compete with desserts, Oats. I'm too busy being the foundation of the entire culinary world. Oats pauses, then sighs, alright, I get it, rice. You're a classic. You've been around for centuries. But don't forget, I'm the future. I'm gluten-free, I'm high in protein, I'm the grain. You're still stuck with that starchy, bloated rep. Rice, grinning, oh, I see what this is. You're one of those new age grains, huh? No worries, Oats. You can keep riding the trend wave. But when it comes to solid, comforting meals that stand the test of time, people will always turn to me. Oats, shrugging, fair enough. I'll just be over here in my superfood spotlight. You know, saving hearts and lowering cholesterol. Rice, smiling. You know what, Oats? Maybe we don't need to compete. After all, we both have a place at the table. You with your kale smoothies and Instagram photos, and me. Well, I'll be in every bowl of comfort food from here to eternity. Oats, smirking, agreed. But when they finally make oat sushi, don't come crying to me when you lose your seat at the table. Stay happy and whole grain healthy. I will see you in my next nutritional episode. And what is your favorite oat recipe? Please write in the comments section. Here's to oats, a simple grain, whose powers make us feel no pain. From ancient past to present day, oats, we thank you, come what may. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.